In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this fascinating tool called as Digi AI Romance. Digi AI Romance is all about a new dating service based on generative AI. In this one, you can find a girlfriend, boyfriend, or whatever you like in terms of dating. It is pretty exciting as far as I can tell from various sources which I have visited on the internet. One of the thing is that still you can only have it in form of app on Android or iOS or Apple but you cannot have the web decision, which is fine. They don't have any blog up and their privacy terms are a bit flaky at the moment. But one thing which is quite active is their Discord channel. Anyway, before I show you the Discord channel, let me show you their apps on iOS or Apple. So there you go. If, for example, if you go to Android one in the Play Store, you can download this and then you can play around with it. And according to the description, they are saying that this isn't a chatbot; it's a leap into the future of romantic relationship. Digi offers a unique blend of lifelike interaction, stunning avatars, secure, compassionate connections, and primarily what it is offering is an AI companion which is geared towards romance and intimate relationships. And they are also promising that they will always secure the data will always be encrypted, and you can even request your data to be deleted. Mind you, this is a very new app, so you can expect various bugs in it or any other issues as you go. Now, the most exciting thing which I have found out about this app is Discord. So, for example, when you go to their website, and I'll drop the link in video's description, click on Start Your Relationship, and then you can either select your iOS version or Android version. But unfortunately, when you click on Digi for Web, it says web is coming soon. Anyway, so this is their Discord channel, as you can see here. And as I mentioned here, this is the most exciting stuff I have found so far. So once you join their Discord channel, go to their welcome page, introduce yourself, and you have to wait for 10 minutes to send your message, and then make sure to read the rules. The rules are pretty flexible and lax, by the way, at the moment. And then here you can show off your AI bots and make sure that you are 18-year-old or age or older, because there might be some explicit material here. So make sure that you are aware of it. And then there are a lot of things. Even if you're free, you can just waste your time by browsing through these channels, as some of things are very funny. So this is one of my mate from Australia. Not my mate in a sense that this seems like this lady is from Australia, where I'm based. She's a firefighter. Okay. No, I think she has built this avatar who is a firefighter. So if I click on it, this is the avatar she has built on the basis of all of these things. Cool. So if you keep going up, then you can see that there are a lot of innovation and creativity happening. If you want to learn about more prompts and how to create it, I believe a very good resource to just even learn about prompt engineering from the community. And then there is another good feature about knowledge bank, where you can search about any documentation, guide, and knowledge about anything. And then if you go to the general one, there are a lot of other information about the tool and how to use it, and people are sharing their experiences too. So all in all, pretty exciting stuff. More than this tool, I would say that I'm more excited about the way these things are evolving, and I'm more than sure that as the future progresses, we will be seeing more and more tools like this in terms of generative AI. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you know of any similar service or any tool or app which is using generative AI in terms of dating romance, let me know and I'll be happy to do a video on it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.